Fine face sometimes, but got my fans trying to fan my flames. Feeling like, man, I'm great, so for y'all, that's the chance I take.
Hanging off a crucifix, listening to strange fruit again. Losing youth on the news again. Maneuvering through the valley of death and got lost in the alley. Playing gutter ball, got tossed in the paddy. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You divide before you take away. Check the signs, they never make mistakes. Jake the Snake got his foot on your neck, that ain't a paperweight. They serving beef on a paper plate, marinated with a taste of hate. It's deep-seated but deep-fried, so we eat it till we die from 1,000 reps. Pools of blood on my house and steps, shattered bone and a pound of flesh. Smoking loud for a sound effect. I'm self-medicated. Obamacare health legislation never makes it better. I beg a presidential pardon. Black churches burning, residential arson, try terrorism. American lies devise for your television. They swear to God this is better living. Shit.